Hello friends, good evening to all of you. Myself is Arun Kumar Singh. Today I want to discuss about the thinking of people towards the God. It is the common thinking about the gods that God each exist in our surrounding in many different form, many different shape. They are having the different shape. So the people take the God in many different form and in many different ways. Some people try their best to find the gods in temple, mosque, church, at religious places, on top of the mountain, in cave, on the bank of the river, and many more places like this. But what I think about the God, they are not knowing the actual definition, actual thing, truth view towards the God. God is not a thing which can be seen with our naked eye. It is the power of a spiritual energy. It is the most powerful spiritual energy which exists all around us in many different forms. This energy can be created in our body. That energy cannot be found in temple, mosque, church, on top of the mountain, cave, at the bank of the river, and sitting before the saint and wise person. It can be created. This energy can be created in our heart, and we can visualize that energy. We can take a lots of advantage from the energy. In other words, we can say the God. For example, we can say that the existence of God in every particles, either in microorganism as well as larger living and non-living things. Our soul is the small unit of God. To develop the soul, to develop the energy in our life, or the existence of God in our life can be maximized, or we can get more and more spiritual energy in our life by doing a few certain things. That spiritual energy or grace of God or pity of God in our life can be obtained by following these certain conditions, certain things. That things is, first, we should be honest and truth. We should be pitiful, helpful, and having kind to others, especially for poor and needy. We should be satisfied with what we have. We should give up all these bad habits, shortcomings like greed, dissatisfaction, jealous, not pity for poor and needy people, sick people. We should also have kind towards the infant, animals, birds, mad people, old age people, and some other things or people like this. Then definitely the grace of God can be taken continuously and a loads of volume in our life. That is most needful nowadays. We can be healthy. Our muscles, organs, internal or external, can be healthy by taking the balanced diet. But our mind cannot be healthy. The fuel of our mind is a spiritual energy, good thoughts, good idea, and that things depend on our truthness towards our thought, towards our action, towards our view to others, and some other things like this. That spiritual energy also depend on our nature of sacrifice. If we are having the nature of sacrifice, definitely the more and more amount of spiritual energy can begin to flow in our life. Our greatness, good personalities, immortality, life to becoming the milestone for newcomers, all these are possible when we have a more and more spiritual energy. A spiritual energy does not depend on our sound body, come of a sound family, good society, forwardness and backwardness, high approachful person. This energy does not depend on these things. What I discussed earlier, truth, honest, hardworking, sincere, true to our words and deeds, kindness toward the other, sacrifice, these things are most essential to have even a little amount of a spiritual energy. In other words, we can say the grace of God in our life, which are most needful things nowadays. I think if you want to have the grace of God, you may feel that these things are necessary. If you are not having these features in your life, definitely I can say that you will not be having the spiritual energy or grace of God in your life. So the person who are having the lack of spiritual energy or grace of God are definitely unbalanced. They are not having the peace in their life. They always spend the stress and tension hours. They spend the sleepless night. Definitely they should follow these things what I have discussed in this video earlier. And it is my faith, if you follow this, definitely one can get the spiritual energy in their life, which make their life not only sound, not only cheerful, healthy, but also that very person can be immortal with the help of the deeds and records and result or achievement in their life. So if you like this video, subscribe it by pressing the bell button, and also send me the comment as well as queries if you want to know something more. Definitely I shall try my best to discuss over all the topics selected by you in my next video in details, and that video will reach you first. Thank you.